Hi everyone, so what you've got here is an unboxed Morph 2 kit from this company Smok. Do very good quality products. So you've got a nice instruction manual. Also, this particular unit does not come with the batteries, so you're going to need to purchase two batteries, and they are the 18650, and you'll need two for this unit. They go into the bottom here. I actually purchased them on Amazon without any problems, and they came next day. So just make sure you get the right batteries, but it will tell you in the packaging. In the packaging also you've got some spare filter rings and things, and also they've supplied a spare coil. Comes very nicely boxed up, all nice and sealed, which I like. This is the actual unit. It's really lovely. So it's like a leather trim finish and this rainbow metallic finish, as you can see. Looks nice. The barcode there, that's to authenticate this is a Smok product. I like the verification they have in place, which I think is a great thing. So I've put the batteries in, obviously charged them up, which plug in here, and they supply the USB, so you just plug in and charge the batteries to 100% and then switch this unit on. Also I've put some liquid in, let's call it. Right, very nice menu. Obviously you can change the wattage as I'm doing. Also, when you puff every time, it shows you. So like I've had one puff, you can reset it, which I liked. But it's really nice and easy to use. Shows you the battery life I've got on both the batteries. And then obviously to vape, once you get your settings. Right, let's have a look. You can hear it far on. So that's a decent bit of smoke. I don't normally smoke indoors or vape indoors. I actually vape outside, but I just wanted to show you. But it's very nice quality products. Really beautiful. My level's a bit low. Don't let your levels drop down, but I'm going to have to get some more tobacco fluid and fill her back up. But she's really beautiful, really nicely made. I've left the screen protector on at the moment. I'll take it off later. But I think it's just really nicely made. And I like the way that, can you see the smoke? That's it, it's in the stitching, in between there's stitching there, look at that. But it's definitely a really nice looking machine. And weight-wise, it's heavy, I will say that, but then, you know, you want something with a bit of kick. And like I said, I do like that you can really notch the power right up. I mean, look at that. So you can go right up to, let's have a look, let's see how far we can go. Right, I mean, that's going to be a serious bit of vaping there. 100 plus wattage. I mean, that is one bad boy, isn't it? Goes up to 230. Let's stop mucking about here. So it goes up to 230 watts if you want, but everyone to their own. And I just think this is beautiful. It's really easy to use, and you can, you can change it all around. Puff time, clear puff, yes. So it's cool, really nice. Definitely recommend it. I think it's pretty good value. You know, I'm not an expert vapor by any means, but the Smok products are definitely beautiful. And I do like this, that you can actually verify that these aren't counterfeits. These are authentic Smok products. But the Morph 2 is really a beautifully designed machine. Also, another thing I'll show you, let me just turn this off. Right, when you go to refill, right, so the actual top here, you press this button here and it twists round like so. Hold on, that's it. Let me get this, right, that's it. So you actually twist that round and that's where you refill, just in this section here. Do it slowly, don't get any spillage, and then when you're full, just click it back in place like so. Make sure it is in, that's it. Yeah, it's in place. So make sure it's obviously done properly. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll put the Amazon link up for this really beautiful product. Okay, thanks.